Why all the drawing made by other artists look so realistic? What's the reason or technique behind that? And how can you bring that realistic touch to your drawing also? Well, there are lots of similar questions which are regularly being asked by me, but one of the most asked question is how to blend smoothly. So in this video, I'll try to provide the information and trick the how I'll blend smoothly. So I requested to be with the video till end. So this is our reference. So firstly, try to find out all the possible outlines and shapes. Now just erase the unwanted lines from the drawing. Now blend over the drawing to provide the first base layer of graphite. Providing base layer is very important for having realistic blending in drawing. I am using this 4B pencil to provide base layer. This is how a drawing looks with first base layer. Now the next step is to blend it through any blending stump. I am using this paper blending stump. Uh, I made it before. Now clean the paper before moving to another step. Now provide the required details as per reference image. Now I'm using this 6B pencil to provide another base layer to the image. Remember one thing, more you provide layers to your drawing, the more it gets realistic. This is how a drawing looks with a second base layer. Now I'm gonna use this makeup brush to blend. This is how a drawing looks like after blending second layer. Now it's time to provide re-highlight to the drawing. Now blend second layer to get more smoothness. Now this is time to provide the third layer to the drawing. I'm using this 10B pencil to provide third layer. This is how it looks with third layer. Now I'm gonna blend this with this makeup brush again to get more smoothness. Now get some highlights again to make it feel more 3D. By following these steps you can make easily a 3D and realistic looking drawing. And now I'm gonna provide this third and last base layer to the drawing. Now removing some blockage to highlights. And of course, last touch up to the drawing. Now it will make it feel more realistic and more 3D. And this is the final look.